Hey Sim, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we will be looking at the most important current affairs of June 3rd, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which Indian boxer has won the fifth successive medal at the Asian Boxing Championships? So the answer is option C. Shiv Thapa. Shiv Thapa has won the fifth successive medal at the Asian Boxing Championship. Moving on to the next question. Second question is, who has launched Augustu Foundation to help people with mental health issues? So answer is option B. Ira Khan. Ira Khan has announced the launch of Augustu Foundation to aid mental health support and foster body awareness programs and training to promote self-actualization. Moving on to the next question. Third question is, who has been appointed as the national president of the Rashtriya Lokdal? So the answer is option A. Jayant Chaudhary. Jayant Chaudhary has been appointed as the national president of Rashtriya Lokdal. Moving on to the next question. Fourth question is, Bashar al-Assad is the president of which country has been reappointed for the fourth state term? So the answer is option B. Syria. Syria President Bashar al-Assad has been re-elected for the fourth state 7-year term in a landslide victory, winning 95.1% of the total votes cast. Then moving on to the next question. Fifth question is, name the female IAF officer who has become the first women flight test engineer of India. So the answer is option D. Ashrita V. Otley. So Ashrita V. Otley has become the first women flight test engineer of India and she is a female IAF officer. Moving on to the next question. Sixth question is, who is the only referee from India to officiate in wrestling matches of the Tokyo Olympic Games? So the answer is option B. Ashok Kumar. So Ashok Kumar is the only referee from India to officiate in wrestling matches of Tokyo Olympic Games. Moving on to the next question. Seventh question is, which small finance bank has become the first ESFB to offer online account opening to the NRI? So the answer is option B. Equitas ESFB. So Equitas Small Finance Bank has become the first small finance bank to offer online account opening to the NRIs, non-resident Indians. Moving on to the next question. Eighth question is, Trifed has collaborated with Niti Aayog to implement the Vandan Yojana scheme in the tribal aspirational districts identified by the Niti Aayog. How many tribal aspirational districts are there presently? So the answer is option B, 39. A dedicated team of Trifed will work together with the Niti Aayog team to prepare follow-up plan for the implementation of the Vandan Yojana in each of the 39 tribal aspirational districts. Moving on to the next question. Ninth question is, May 28 is dedicated to commemorate the formation of which of these international organizations? So the answer is option B. Amnesty International. Amnesty International Day is observed every year on May 28 because it was on this day in 1961 that this non-government organization was formed in London. Moving on to the next question. Tenth question is, who is the author of the book titled 7 Lessons from Everest Expedition Learning from Life and Business? So the answer is option A, Aditya Gupta. So the author of the book 7 Lessons from Everest Expedition Learning from Life and Business is Aditya Gupta. Moving on to the next question. 11th question is, The International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers is observed on which day? So the answer is option A, 29 of May. So we celebrate the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers on 29th of May. Moving on to the next question. 12th question is, which day of the year is observed as World Digestive Health Day? So the answer is option B, 29 of May. So we celebrate the World Digestive Health Day on 29 of May. Moving on to the next question. 13th question is, which Indian bank has joined hands with NPCI to link its digital wallet pockets to UPI ID? So the answer is option B, ICICI Bank. Private sector lender ICICI Bank has launched a unique facility which allows linking a UPI ID with its digital wallet pockets. Moving on to the next question. 14th question is, who is the head of a panel of state ministers for better valuation of services of casinos, online gaming portals and race courses companies for GST? So the answer is option C, Gujarat Deputy Chief Minister. Government has set up a 7-member panel of state ministers to levy GST. The group of ministers will be headed by Gujarat Deputy Chief Minister Nitin Patel. Then moving on to the next question. 15th question is, what is the theme of the 2021 International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers? So the answer is option A, the road to a lasting peace, leveraging the power of youth for peace and security. This is the theme of the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers. Moving on to the next question. 16th question is, name the women mountaineer who has created a record of the world's fastest ascent of Everest. So the answer is option B, Sang Yen Hung. A Hong Kong-based mountaineer has created the record of world's fastest ascent of Everest by a woman within the time of just under 26 hours. Moving on to the next question. 17th question is, which state government has recently launched Smart Kitchen scheme? So the answer is option C, Kerala. Chief Minister of Kerala, Pinarayi Vijayan, announced a secretary-level committee will formulate guidelines and recommendations on the implementation of Smart Kitchen scheme in the state to fulfill commitments of LDF. Moving on to the next question. 18th question is, the International Everest Day is marked on which day? So the answer is option A, 29th of May. The International Everest Day is marked on 29th of May. Moving on to the next question. 19th question is, what is the theme of 2021 World Digestive Health Day? So the answer is option C, obesity and ongoing pandemic. So this is the theme of the 2021 World Digestive Health Day, and we celebrate the World Digestive Health Day on 29th of May, as we already discussed. Moving on to the next question. 20th question is, who has been appointed as the new president of the International Narcotics Control Board for India? So the answer is option B, Jagit Pavadia. So Jagit Pavadia has been appointed as the new president of the International Narcotics Control Board for India. The former Narcotics Commissioner of India has been elected as the president of International Narcotics Control Board. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And also consider subscribing to our channel. Also share this video with your friends. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.